Hi, my name is Andy Esquivel, and I'm with the City of Smithville. I'm the Community Engagement Coordinator, and I'm here to introduce Dana Platt, our CARTS Community Public Director. Well, that confused me already there. That's okay.
That's okay. I'm going to say, hi, I'm Dana Platt. I'm the Community Engagement Director for CARTS,
There we go.
Capital Area Rural Transportation System.
And I'm going to share the screen with you now so that you can go ahead and take over and do your presentation for us, okay?
Great, thanks.
There you go.
So what is CARTS? CARTS is a rural transportation system. We're established by state law. We cover 9 counties, including Bastrop County, as well as Blanco, Burnett, Caldwell, Fayette, Hay, Lee, and we cover the rural portions of Travis and Williamson counties. A little video that I will show you guys about all of the services that we provide in the different communities in the CARTS district. So here it is.
What is CARTS? CARTS is the Capital Area Rural Transportation System, and we provide affordable and reliable transportation for all. Our service area covers 9 counties and over 100 cities and towns, meaning we're right in your backyard. Whether you're heading to a medical appointment, off to the grocery store, or on your way to work, you can count on CARTS to get you there. CARTS is so much more than a traditional bus service, with a variety of options to get you from point A to point B, even if you live in Point Z. Take a fixed bus route into town, or let us pick you up with our curb-to-curb service. Come along and meet our family of interconnected services. First up is the Interurban Coach. Interurban Coach is a city bus at heart and has a need for speed. The coach enjoys cruising along major highways and craves that rush of skipping rush hour traffic. The Interurban provides rides on a fixed schedule with stops at specific locations in 15 central Texas cities. The coach is ideal for travel into Austin or trips between rural areas. Are you heading to downtown Austin? The East Side Bus Plaza connects to Capital Metro routes into downtown Austin every 15 minutes. Not heading into downtown Austin? No problem. We know it's not always an option to get around on foot, so CARTS services link up with Capital Metro, Greyhound, Amtrak, and Trailways. Some stops even have nearby bike and scooter rentals. Passengers can also take advantage of national travel and freight services at specific stations. For interurban passengers who are over 65 or ADA eligible, we offer local connections with a call-ahead reservation for the Grasshopper. This little green shuttle picks you up at the station and gets you to work, doctor, or other destinations in a hop, skip, and not interested in the city? Travel on your own terms with the country bus. This green van may not wear cowboy boots, but his home is on the range. This curb-to-curb service travels throughout the CARTS district and is available in specific areas on designated days. Same-day reservations may be made based on availability, but to guarantee a ride, let us know at least 24 hours in advance. Last but certainly not least, meet the newest member of our fleet. CARTS now is always on the go and is the social butterfly of the group. These red vans know all the local spots, providing on-demand rides in specific areas that they serve. With the click of a button or a quick phone call, you can be on your way to the park, library, and even medical appointments in just 15 minutes. To learn more, visit us online at ridecarts.com or call us at 512-478-7433 to book your next ride. We can't wait to have you on board.
So that was kind of just an overview of all the different services that we provide. There in Bastrop County, we actually provide all of those services. So Bastrop County is one of the counties that we have the most different transportation options in. So from this slide, you can kind of see our service area. And the little icons are the different services that we provide in the different areas. And then I just wanted to give you guys, since this is a sustainable festival, just reasons why to ride the bus and how we can help the environment. So there's a couple of things, you know, riding the bus saves you money with the rise of gas prices these days. We have very affordable fares. They're usually $2, $4, or $6, and half fare is available for seniors and persons with disabilities. And we also offer free rides to veterans. So it's very affordable. So it's a way to save money. And it's very safe. So according to the National Safety Council, riding the bus is 107 times safer than riding a car. And usually it's also good for your health. So people who are getting out and walking to the nearest bus stop, or they're riding their bike to the nearest bus stop, just getting out and being exercising, it's good for your health instead of just sitting in your car and commuting, for 45 minutes. It's also great for the environment. It, reduces carbon monoxide. 80% of cars produce carbon monoxide. And it's great for the community. Getting on the bus is a way to meet new people and kind of see who's out there in the community and who's riding the bus, and to, you might meet somebody new. We actually have a driver who met his wife on the bus. He drove her to and from the UT library, and they met and they ended up getting married. So an awesome way to meet people. And so basically transit's role in sustainability is they help improve the quality of air by reducing traffic and creating less emissions and pollutions. We reduce greenhouse gas emissions, and basically facilitating compact development and less road structure, and it decreases the demand of transportation on the roads, and thus saving energy. So transportation plays a really big role in environmental sustainability. And here's just a little thing that I thought was interesting, is that private vehicles are really one of the highest producing of carbon emissions. And a great way to do that is to use public transportation. You can save, 25% by, commuting and sharing your rides. And here's a cool little graphic. It basically shows you, what 60 people on a bus looks like versus 60 people on a bike versus 60 people in a car. You can see how it really condenses the traffic and gets a lot of people off of the roads, and how it can be better for the environment. And like I mentioned before, all of our rides are really affordable. Seniors, they pay half price, 65 and up, and also persons with disabilities. And I've mentioned before, veterans can ride for free. All of our services are ADA accessible, so they're wheelchair accessible, and you can also bring your bikes. And so that's really all I have. So you can get more information if you guys follow us at Ride Carts. We're on Twitter, YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram. And you can also go to our website at ridecarts.com for more information.